This video content is not intended for children.
And this is Alex from Lebanon, a nice largemouth there doing the selfie thing on Old Hickory Lake.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm over here in the same spot. I caught some largemouth bass with Seth about a week or two ago. We're back over here to try our luck, see if we can get a few more. I'm fishing with this today, Gulp Minnow 2.5 inch. There we go, fish. What do I got? First fish of the day. Come on, get in here. Yellow bass. Not exactly what I was going for, but it is a bass. He's just waiting to spine me. Got about a 9-inch yellow bass here. Looks like Seth's got one down there. Largemouth?
Yes.
Quarter pounder?
Yes, quarter pounder with cheese.
Oh, with cheese, all right. All right, changing it up to the smaller Gulp Minnow. I didn't have any luck on the big one. I got one fish. Well, son of a bitch, I wasn't even recording, but I did get a small bass. Here's the proof. I gotta hold him really close to the camera so he looks big. 6-inch bass. This is what I got him on, the 1-inch Gulp Minnow.
Hey guys, it's Ramir Malipena here in Chattanooga. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
There we go, fish on. What do we got? Come on. Come on. Nice big bluegill here. Yeah, that's a good one. Give me that back. All right, let's take a look at this bluegill. This is a really good sized bluegill. Easy. Over 8 inches. Look at this thing. That's longer than my hand. 8.5 inches. That's a good bluegill. Best fish so far today. All right, so far that's one bluegill, one yellow bass, and one small largemouth bass. Interesting variety. There's another fish. What do we got here? Small largemouth bass. Easy fella. Wow. There we go. Let's take a look at this one. This is more like a quarter pounder with cheese. Maybe a little less. 5th pounder, right? Still a pretty good fish for a 1-inch Gulp Minnow. Good looking little bass.
Captain C.C. Corey here, the North Florida angler, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
There we go. What is this? Another bluegill, I think. Yeah, smaller bluegill this time, 6-incher. Easy, fella. 6-inch bluegill. All right, got a flapper here. What is this? Another bluegill? Oh, yellow bass. It's a yellow. Looks like Seth's got one over there through the trees. Got a small largemouth over there. And I got a yellow. Well, I had a yellow. Let's pick them back up. This is like one of the spiniest fish I know. Getting some bites. I think Seth said he's on another one. Oh, he had a bite, I guess. There's a fish. Oh, what do I got? Another yellow. Easy. Don't fin me, bro. Super jumpy, super feisty. 8-inch yellow bass, maybe 9.
Hey, it's Josh from the One Ton Fishing Club.
Hi, it's Gerry from One Ton Fishing Club.
Hey, what's up? This is Kyle from One Ton Fishing Club.
Hey, this is Art from One Ton Fishing Club.
You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
All right, getting a few more bites. It's getting interesting. Got him. What is it? Another smaller fish. Largemouth. Just a little guy. 6-7-incher. All right, here's my bass. 6-incher. I think he said he's got one. His looks a little better.
Little bit better.
Yeah. I got a 6. He's probably got a 10 or something like that. Quarter pounder?
Yeah, quarter pound.
Let's take a look at my bait. Getting pretty mauled. All right, I think we're gonna do away with this gulp minnow, and I'm gonna put a larger one on, but I'm gonna need a larger hook, so I'll be right back. Got him. What do we got here? Quarter pounder with cheese. All right, got another small bass here. Not quite a quarter pound, more like a 1/5 pound. No cheese. Still a good fish. All right, almost time to go. I can't even see my bobber out there. After this cast, I'm going to start making my way back through the woods here. All right, one more cast. Always one more cast. I hear a deer or something creeping up behind me. Spooky. All right, I might take one more cast over there by the boat ramp, but I'm gonna make my way back through the woods before it's so dark I can't even see. What the pterodactyl?
What's up, everybody? Fatboy Dan here from Fatboy Dan's Great Outdoors. Y'all already know you're watching realistic fishing, and just remember to always keep it realistic.
Hey, there's minnows in here. This is actually the longest I've been out in quite a while. But that's what happens when the fishing starts getting good. I got a few small bass, yellow bass, and one nice bluegill. Seth, what did you catch?
I caught a few quarter-pounder bass and a few little yellow bass. It was a nice day to fish today.
All right, so we both got a few bass, a few yellow bass, and hopefully the fishing only gets better. I'll try to stop back over here as it warms up, and hopefully we can get some big bass. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.